Hello everyone and welcome back to yet another video, and today I'm going to be talking about top 5 benefits of drinking water. Number 1. Hydration. Water is essential for maintaining the body's fluid balance, which helps in transporting nutrients, regulating body temperature, and supporting digestion. Number 2. Skin health. Proper hydration keeps the skin moisturized, reducing the likelihood of dryness, flakiness, and premature wrinkles. Number 3. Kidney function. Drinking enough water helps kidneys filter waste from the blood and excrete it through urine, reducing the risk of kidney stones and urinary tract infections. Number 4. Energy levels and brain function. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, reduced concentration, and impaired cognitive function. Staying hydrated helps maintain energy levels and support mental clarity. Number 5. Digestive health. Water aids in digestion by helping dissolve nutrients and minerals, making them more accessible to the body. It also helps prevent constipation by keeping the stool soft and moving through the digestive tract efficiently. So that's about it, guys. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you to the next video. Goodbye.